Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to earn $60 per day online on Clickbank. In the previous videos, I have shared with you $10 per day, $20 per day and up to $50 per day. So now you can earn more than $50 per day, and this is also a free strategy. You can scale up this strategy very easily and you can implement this strategy really easy. These are the things that I will cover in this video. Create your Clickbank account, set up your simple funnel, drive traffic to your landing page and earn money. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. For earning a full-time income from home using my most recommended system, I have put my link in the description box. You can use that link to join your journey from today. So let's get started with today's video. In first step, create your Clickbank account. Move to the clickbank.com. Clickbank is the world's largest affiliate marketplace and you can create your account for free. Just move to your create account. It hardly takes you a few minutes. You need to provide your personal banking and account information, and once you have created your account in the Clickbank, now let's move affiliate marketplace. From this marketplace you can select different categories. These are different categories and niches that are included in the Clickbank. You can work on any category, but for the purpose of this strategy and this video, I recommend you to work on either health and fitness, parenting and families and cooking niche. These are the niches that are really working fine for this strategy. So if I just open up this product cooking, these are the products that are included in the cooking category. So just sort those products using different things. I recommend you to go with the gravity. Gravity is the number which tells us that how many affiliates are promoting that product and are making money. This Keto Resources has a gravity of 208 and it offers you an average affiliate commission of $24. I recommend you to pick up a product that has a gravity of at least 20 and that offers you an average affiliate commission of $25. So just look for different products. You can find different products, and the higher the average affiliate commission, so it would be better for you to reach your goal early. So for the purpose of this video, I am just picking up this product Keto Resources. Just open up this product. This is the landing page you are seeing. Just look at the landing page, whether it is built professionally or it is just a garbage. So just pick up a landing page that catches the attention of your audience. This landing page is a simple landing page. I cannot recommend this landing page highly, and if you just move to other landing pages let's look at that, whether they are built more professionally than the previous landing page. So just look at this. This landing page is much better than the previous because there are a lot of catchy lines. And if we just open up the third landing page, keto breads and keto desserts, so this landing page is built much professionally than the previous two. So I just recommend you to choose a landing page that look like this. There is an image, there is catchy line. So once you take that image and put that image into your website, so once people visited that website, definitely they get attracted. So if you pick up a landing page, just take a screenshot. If I open up that screenshot and take an image, like let's suppose if I take an image from that section, so just take an image, save it on your computer, go to the Google Docs, just search for Google Docs on Google. Now go to the Google Docs. Click on blank. Insert. Upload from computer. Upload that image to your page. This is a Google Docs link and you have uploaded that image. All you need is to add your affiliate link with that in that image. So just move to the Clickbank, click on, let's suppose this is your product, click on promote. If you log into your account, you can take your affiliate link from that, generate hop links. So just take your affiliate link, generate hop links, and move to a site that is bit.ly. It is a link shortening site because the link you have taken from the Clickbank is the ugly looking link and people generally do not like to click on these links. So just paste your link, click on shorten. You have shortened your link. Again, move to your landing page and add that link into your image, apply, and now add few lines about your product that catches the attention of your audience. Add your affiliate link into that text, apply. Now you have added your affiliate link into the image as well as to the text. So this text is catchy, and once people visit that landing page and they read out these lines, so definitely they get attracted, and more than 30 to 50% people will click on either that on text or on that image, and once they click on that image or the text, they will be moved to your affiliate link, and once they buy that product, you will earn affiliate commission. So that's how you can make money. So our next task is to drive traffic to that landing page, which is our next step, that is drive traffic to your landing page. For the purpose of this video, I am using a very popular platform that is known as Twitter. Just create your account with the Twitter, it is free, and now move to the twitter.com, and you are seeing that this is your options, home, explore, notification, messages, bookmark, list, profile, and more. All you need is to wait for 8 to 10 days, and here your task is to follow different people. Just create your account related to your niche. Let's suppose you are working on a weight loss or a cooking niche, then your account should be related to that niche. So just create your account and follow related people. Once you have a targeted group of people, like I have opened up different profiles. Let's suppose I have opened up this profile. This is a guy, and you are seeing that this guy is promoting his weight loss products, and he is using his landing page weeksite.com 2-week diet, and he is just replying to different people questions. So just you can search for different things. I want to lose weight. So once you will get the result, you can sort or change these results with respect to the top latest people photos and videos, and just find the latest post and reply to these posts. And the second version is to follow different people. Once you follow different people, they will follow you back. That's how you can grow your followers base. And if anything you tweet here on the twitter.com, it will be shared among your followers. So once you have hundreds of followers, definitely 20 to 30% of the people will click on that link that is included in your tweet. And once they click on that link, they will then move to your landing page, and once they click on that landing page and click on your affiliate link and buy that product, you will earn affiliate commission. So just for an example here, just search for weight loss. Here click on people. Now you can find different people related to the weight loss niche. Just open up these people. You can also follow these people from here, and once you take your cursor here, you can see that this profile has 319 following and over 15,000 followers. So just open up these profiles and you can look for different followers. Like you can follow this guy, and you can also check for the followers. So follow these people one by one. I recommend you to 100 a day, because you cannot spam, otherwise your account will get flagged. So just follow 100 people a day. There is a chance that those people will follow you back. That's how you can grow your profile. And once you grow your profile, you can click on tweet and add your tweet here. So tweet is just a message that you can share among your followers. Let's suppose just take your link, move to bit.ly, and paste your link into the tweet. Also add your few hashtags like so just add few hashtags, click on tweet, and it will be tweeted and it will be shared among your followers. So that's how you can get massive reach in the Twitter. And also you can just answer different questions related to your niche. I have just shown you an example here, like this guy just, my answer, I've just shown you an example here how this guy is exploiting or using this Twitter account and replying to different people. Like someone has asked about how I want to lose my weight, can you give me some tips? So this guy has replied, hi, I see that you want to lose your weight. I have written a blog post which you may find it useful. So that's how you can share your idea or story, and once people click on your landing page, so that's how you can get traffic. I do not recommend you to share directly your affiliate link in the Twitter, and just on the safer side, just use a bridge page. And for that bridge page, this is your Google document page. It is just like a landing page, and I have just created a strategy for those people who are very new, who do not wanted to invest money and who do not have knowledge to create a landing page. So this is a strategy they can use, and if you do the strategy on a repeated basis, definitely they can reach $60 per day mark. You cannot reach that mark just by working 15 to 30 days. You need to put effort for 3 to 5 months, and after that you can start seeing results. I hope you like this strategy, and if you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, and please subscribe to my channel so you get related videos in the future. Thank you.